This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Charlotte Hitchens. Move right in, completely furnished, with exception of personal items, updated home with approx 1,040 square feet of HC space. Appliances were replaced in 2018 along with fans, some light fixtures, master bath updated, 1/2 bath updated, LVP flooring throughout entire home, heat pump replaced 2020, energy efficient windows added, water heater and much more. Great open floor plan with 2 bedrooms and 1.5 baths, carport and huge lot with privacy in the back. Added outdoor living with a nice size deck across back of home. If you don't check this one out, you will be missing a deal if you're looking for a move-in ready affordable home with lots of improvements priced to sell at $149,500. For more information.